They take Opie out in cuffs?
No, he was carrying one of his kids.
What time was that?
Headlights woke us up. Must have been around 2:30. There were 3 black sedans. The whole family left, took bags with them. Is he in trouble again?
I don't know. Thanks.
Just talked to our guy over at San Joaquin Savings and Loan. He checked Opie's finances.
And?
Somebody paid off a huge chunk of his debt. Federal wire transfer. Mortgage, credit cards, car payments.
This stays with the 3 of us.
Yeah, of course.
Go.
Opie sold us out. Or ATF wants us to think he did. That bitch is smart. Devious cash.
Feds picked him up in the middle of the night.
You go out in cuffs?
Neighbors say no.
Ope's debt's been cleared. Federal wire transfers.
It's a setup.
Maybe.
Or he gave Bobby up. Now he's come witness protection.
Why? If he wasn't arrested, what's the leverage?
Who knows how long they've been chipping away at him, Jax? Hell, ATF? They could have gotten to him while he was still in Chino.
That's paranoid shit.
Is it? Is it? Opie's been a miserable prick since he got out. Maybe they've offered him a new debt-free life, just what Donna wanted.
Ope's not a rat. He did 5 years for this club.
Maybe he doesn't want to do 25 more.
I'm going to see Rosen tomorrow. We'll get some clarity. Give us a minute.
Of course.
You and I both love Opie. I don't want to believe this shit either. But we gotta prepare ourselves for a truth we may not like.
He'd never sell out the club.
And what if he did?
Then I'll kill him myself.